In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Webull subscription, whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply no longer need the additional features that Webull offers. Canceling your subscription can be a straightforward process. I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you end up with a hassle-free experience. To begin this process, you'll first want to navigate to the Webull main dashboard. This is essentially the central hub of your account where you can manage all your trades, investments, and settings. To get there, open your web browser and head over to the Webull website. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials so you have full access to your account features. The dashboard should ideally be your landing page upon logging in. Make sure you're familiar with this space, as it's where you can initiate the process to cancel your subscription. Now that you're settled in at the main dashboard, the next step is to locate the option for canceling your premium subscription. Look for the section headed Cancel Premium. Yes, the wording might seem a bit off, but it's important to click it to move forward with canceling your subscription. This section is your gateway to managing your current subscription status and understanding what benefits you might be giving up should you proceed. Sometimes websites use easily misspellable words, or there's a slight disconnect in wording, but rest assured that this is the right path to take. After clicking the cancellation link for the premium section, focus your attention on the subscription plan area. This is where you'll view all the details about your subscription, including renewal dates, plan features, and any other relevant information about what you're currently enlisted in. By navigating to the subscription plan section, you're making strides toward canceling your premium access. It's a good practice to double-check this information so you're fully aware of what you're discontinuing and can reconsider if anything seems off or you're unsure about losing specific features. And that's it. Once you've reviewed your subscription details and are ready to proceed, finalizing the cancellation is just a few clicks away. Often there will be a final confirmation screen or possibly some incentives to get you to stay, so just follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Remember, canceling your Webull premium subscription will revert your account back to the basic features. If at any point you want to access the premium services again, you can resubscribe quite easily from the membership section. Hopefully, this explanation helps you seamlessly navigate your way through the cancellation process, providing you with clear steps to pause or end your subscription as needed. Thank you for following along with this tutorial.